Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a zipper on a maxi dress. First, identify the specific problem with your zipper. Is it stuck, separated, or completely broken? For a zipper that is merely sticky, try rubbing a graphite pencil, a bar of soap, or even a crayon along the teeth. This lubrication often allows the slider to move smoothly again. Always work gently to avoid further damage to the delicate fabric of your dress. If your zipper is stuck, first check for any fabric caught in the teeth. Carefully pull the fabric away from the slider. Sometimes, the slider itself might be too loose or too tight. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers to gently squeeze or widen the slider's sides, one small adjustment at a time. Remember to apply a lubricant like a zipper wax or even a little petroleum jelly to help it glide. A separated zipper can often be fixed without replacement. First, pull the slider all the way down to the very bottom of the zipper track. Carefully realign any separated teeth by hand, ensuring they interlock properly. If the slider seems too wide, gently squeeze its sides with pliers to tighten its grip on the teeth. Then, slowly pull the slider up, guiding the teeth into place. This often re-engages the zipper. To prevent future zipper issues, always zip up your maxi dress completely before washing it. This protects the zipper teeth from bending or snagging on other garments. When storing your dress, ensure the zipper isn't caught on other items or folded sharply. Periodically, a light application of zipper lubricant or even a dry bar of soap can keep the teeth gliding smoothly, extending the life of your dress's zipper for many years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.